heading back to Sao Paulo. We booked on Azul, which is a Brazilian airline, so it's a JetBlue of Brazil. So we booked on Azul, and so it seems like a smaller plane than LATAM is. The flight should take us less than an hour. We'll be back in Sao Paulo around 1. Check into our Airbnb, and then we'll see what we'll do in our final day here in Brazil. Unfortunately, we didn't get any real gear, maybe magnets, whatever it is. Seems like we missed that train. But you know what? I'm gonna take a little run and see if I can get anything. Ciao for now. Obviously it was cross-border on our way to São Paulo. Alright, so we're back in Sao Paulo. And so we checked into our Airbnb, and yeah, we checked into our Airbnb. This one is a little bit further away from the airport. Well, we're not probably gonna go back through that airport, but this one is a little bit further away. You know, I don't think the area is as nice as we were where we were, but you know, it's higher up and all of that. So let me give you a tour of this Airbnb. Really nice setup here with the kitchen outside. So let me give you a tour. So we are checking out now. It's now 11:41 and we are going to go downstairs. Tias and I think her boyfriend are meeting us at some Mercado. I'll give you the name. But we're going to wait downstairs because checkout is now. And then I'll show you some shots of the Mercado and the stadium, and then off to the airport. That is the end of Brazil 2023. We're here with Thais.
Come again.
So I'd say what you were just saying. You were saying we have Mercado Municipal.
In São Paulo. We're gonna show to the guys the first supermarket that we have in São Paulo. People when they needed in the past, people when they needed to buy anything, they used to come here. They have things about all the cultures here. Foods from all the culture from Brazil.
Okay, good.
We're gonna have some caipirinha. You're gonna see some different fruits. We have a lot of restaurants. We have a lot of things. It's very different. You guys are gonna have fun.
All right, so Mercado Municipal, Sao Paulo. So that's where we are. So let's go inside. Guarana, I think.
This one's good. The taste is good.
I mean, I don't know what it is. It's not passion.
It's guarana, and we have with honey. You wanna try with honey? They have with honey. Ele quer uma de mel.
It tasted like honey. I think that was the honey.
Look
Was that what we just had? Yeah, what's the honey?
Honey, you like it? It's sweet.
Yeah. Not my favorite, but it's cool. Hello. All right, so we are inside the market. We're about to have lunch. It's right now 12:47. Remember, this is our last day right here in São Paulo, Brazil. And so obviously we're at one of the restaurants to try to get traditional Brazilian food. But it's the last hurrah. So come with us as we go.
Savored, eu não sei daí.
All right, so I'm now trying the feijoada and what is the shrimp called?
Feijoada and the escondidinho de camarão, shrimp. This.
Great consistency.
Let's see, Zoe. Do you like it, Zoe? It's good, tastes good, so good.
The beans and the shrimp.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Love it. Good. So, food was amazing. Amazing drinks. I showed you all that. Delicioso. We are at, say the name again?
Rei do Baião, Brasileirinho. It's a famous restaurant in Brazil where they sell foods from the whole Brazil here.
Good. So listen, when you're next in Brazil, São Paulo, come to this is the Mercado. You come here, obviously this food section is just filled with restaurants and eateries, and so this is our recommendation for you. We ordered. Tell the listeners what we ordered again.
We ordered a feijoada, famous place in Brazil, and escondidinho de camarão, shrimp with mandioca. Mandioca is like a potato, but we just have it here in Brazil. It's a good one. They love it.
Good. So yeah, those are your recommendations. So where you're next time in São Paulo, Rio, Salvador, you can order any of these. But if you're anytime in São Paulo, you can come here. Adios. We'll show you shots of our shopping. Ciao. We are on our way now to the airport. We're on our way now to the airport, and we had to cut the experience short because Thais' boyfriend had an emergency because of the shellfish. Well, our assumption is the shellfish. It could have been many different food there, but we had to rush him to the hospital, and I think he's gonna go now to his doctor, which is in another area. But anyway, we are heading to the airport. Brazil was real. Rio, São Paulo was amazing, and now back to reality. So until next time.
And back to life.
Back to life. Until next time, take care. Ciao.